Welcome to Global Videos, my friend. I'm your host Asim, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell notification button so you can get the notification for all of our upcoming videos. So in today's project, I'm going to show you how to use the Terminator series effect in your picture. Yes, absolutely. The Terminator series, I think all of you have heard about that or watched the series. So the specific robot destruction effects which has been implemented on the face of the actor, so we are going to use that effects in our today's project, our picture. So there is a complete and brief demonstration about how to use the different layers and how to use the transformation tool in this project, and how to use the balancing color tool to balance the different layers and colors together. So I have done a little short effort to explain it to you how to use different layers and transformation tool and implementation tool, and how to copy the layer and to complete the project. So if you still don't know about the transformation, what transformation is, I have recently made a brief video about transformation tool which you can use in Adobe Photoshop. So if you haven't watched it yet, so go to our YouTube channel and watch the video, so you can learn from there the use of transformation tool and their sub tool like this distort tool, flip tool, and of course the most important work tool which we have used in today's video. Also in this video we have also used the work tool and to adjust the graphics in this project. So I will also place some useful links below this video, so when you are done watching video, you can of course visit these links and watch the other useful videos on our channel, especially transformation tool video. So let me explain you a little bit more about today's project. This was quite interesting, a new thing to me, to put the efforts to make something different. For example, if we have been using recently like move tools and the selection tool, and I have explained you a little bit about these common things are some stuff like for beginners. So in this video today I'm going to show you a little bit professional work, how you can use the different tool and design some stuff, for example. So this is basically not only about this Terminator effect what have been used in this picture. You can still use many other effects and many other themes, for example, if in your pictures using the same tools and the same method. And I have also told some of the shortcuts in these videos just to do some specific selections, some moves, and for example, if you want to use some brush and their like specification, size or hardness, and including opacity, how does it affects your picture. I have also shown a short demonstration about that, and adjustment of opacity, of course. So I hope today's video is going to be really interesting, and you are going to learn something really amazing which you can use also in your everyday's projects, works, are like some editing. So I hope you will like the video I have made today. So let's go to the video and I will show you the use of Terminator effects in this video. So let's go.
So friends, as you can see that I have opened a picture of Terminator logo. You can see it on screen, and now basically when you want to import a picture to another one, so you are supposed to have both of the pictures or the project data what you are required to change. As you can see on the screen that there is a picture open, and you have to open another picture, for example, to put it as a background, or the picture you want to select as a main project picture. As you can see that I have opened another picture in the screen, and now I have to make a selection for this picture. You can use quick selection tool, or you can simply press Ctrl A to select the image, and then you need to copy it. So just simply click Ctrl C. I'm working on Windows, so these commands are for Windows, not for Mac or any other device you're using. So now you have to simply paste here. You can right click and do paste, or you can control V. So if you do control V, then the picture is pasted on the background picture, as you can see. And these are unwanted edges on the left side of the picture. You can see that. And on these edges, if you want to remove it, you can just simply use the removal erase tool or magic erase tool. I am going to use magic erase tool to remove these unwanted edges in just one click. And you can see that this lower part of the picture, if I want to remove it, I'm just gonna use simple erase tool. So you can just go in erase tool option, or just simply you can switch it from magical erase tool to just simple erase tool. Just you need to have to press just shift E, then it's going to change it from magical erase tool to just simple erase tool. So I'm going to remove the upper part of this picture also, because we are not intend to use this part of the picture in our required project. So as you can see that I have removed the unwanted part of the picture what I am not supposed to use in my project. Now I have to drag the picture, and I have to place it on the face of the project what I'm going to use. So simply you can zoom in or zoom out just using Z key from your keyboard. And now I have to do transformation, control T. If you don't know about transformation, you can see my other video which I have placed before that. I have explained completely transformation. Now you have to use distort tool to move it as your required desired angle or direction. And after that, for example, if you want to just move it freely, or if you want to just don't merge the corners, or if you want to move it with your required angles, just you have to use the warp tool. I have also explained that what warp is and how you can use it in a video earlier. So just go to other videos, or I will put the links in this video, so you can just simply go to those videos. So now I have made a selection, and you need to go to opacity to just increase or decrease it to see the original image and current image what you are placing, its location, its angles, and its placement. So all you have to do is go to warp tool and just move it freely to put the required placement of the new picture in your project. As you can see that I am using a warp tool, and I am moving its corner, edges, angles, and its location as required to my project, or you can just move it freely with your wish. You can see on the screen that I am moving its different parts according to my project requirement. You can just simply use the warp tool for that. As you can see that the picture has been completely placed as required to my project. I will remove or increase opacity to see if it has been placed according to my required measurements or not. So you can see that basically on eyes and forehead and all other places which have been accurately placed on the main project on the background picture. As you can see that it's been done quite good. And now you have to just go to color balance or levels, for example. Then from here you can change the brightness of the picture, or you can just change, for example, different color adjustment. For example, if I want to increase or decrease red color in the picture, and you can see from the labels I have selected it. And if I want to just select the in placed picture, so just you have to deselect the background, and you have to do simply go again in balance option, color balance option. You can see lower there, and then you have to go to labels, or you can simply go in color balance. So you can select the color from here, which you can see on the screen, that which color do you want to change. For example, if you want to do red, green, or any other color, so you just need to select it and you can move. As you can see on the screen, I have adjusted color, so the place picture in my project, it looks a little bit different than the other one. I just needed to do a color match, and now if I increase opacity or decrease opacity, you can see that it will show you the proper change in the picture. So now, as you can see in the screen, there is not much difference of the color from background and from place picture. So now simply what I'm going to do is I have to just select this picture, and you can do again wrap to make any changes in this selection. For example, if you see the edges are not according to your wish or according to your requirement, so you can simply remove the extra edges what you don't want to place in your project. You can just simply use erase tool, and you can see also that the face and the eyes of the picture what is in place, it is on the correct place. Now I will copy the layer. You can simply drag it and down. You can see as I have made it, and I will select layer 1. Now you have to just select background, so simply press Ctrl I. If you will press Ctrl I, it will invert the place picture, and just go to brush tools and see the selection. For example, you can see that the white color should be on the top for using this brush tool, and see that opacity should be 100% from there. And now you can choose from here size of brush and its hardness. You can it's better to choose slower brush and just click on the picture simply. As you can see that I am dragging it, I am clicking on it. So this will only merge the part of the picture what has been placed into our project. As you can see on the screen, I am simply clicking on it, and you can see that by clicking it, the project what we were doing, the required part of the picture has been in place to this picture. And if you do some mistake, for example, and if you import too much of the part of the imported picture, so you can just simply do Control Z. You can simply do undo, and it removes. For example, you can see also on the screen that I have used some part of the old picture, and as right now also, which was not required for this project, for example. So I just do Control Z to remove those parts of the picture which have been imported mistakenly. So you can see right now I did do Control Z, and that part of the picture has been removed from here. As you can see on the screen, there are some on the forehead there was some mask, and the color which was not matching to the background color. So I just do Control Z, and I have removed that part of picture. Basically that was not supposed to be in this forehead location. Now you can again go to color balance option or levels option to change any color, and you can increase the opacity or decrease the opacity. These all things are according to your requirement and according to your wish. For example, if you want to increase or decrease opacity, you can do it also. But basically this was a Terminator effect project, so we are going to use that opacity 100%. And if you see, if from the imported picture there some layers or some part of the pictures have been left, so just simply you can use erase tool to remove them. As you can see on the screen that there was some part of this picture left, so I just remove it through eraser tool. And now I did go again in layers levels to just balance its brightness. For example, you can also balance from here its color levels, for example red, green, or blue, black, whatever you want to use. And there is a drop button also, so you can select that, as you can see on the screen, and just choose any color. So you can also adjust brightness from here. All the in complete tutorial you can also see all the required tools and their usage for this project, Terminator project. As you can see on the screen that there is a little bit mark which is not specifically as to require our desired project. So you can see that I have made a selection. You can also use like quick selection tools or just lasso tool or any other selection tool. it is depends upon your requirement, basically, that what type of selection you want to make. And now from here you can see that you can use the different adjustment for your colors. I have used black and white, but basically that is not required in this project. So this part of the project is just to show you if you want to change something. So simply do Control Z if you don't want to select it, or if you don't want to do any further things with that. So friends, the project Terminator effects has been completed today, and there is a brief tutorial which I have made to show you how it has been done. So I hope you like the video, and if you have some questions, you can just put in comments, and there are some specific links for our old video if you want to learn some more stuff like transformation and other things. Keep watching.
I hope you have liked the video today. I have tried my best to put the like information and tools and stuff what I can use in this project. I have tried to explain you briefly how to use these tools in this video. I hope you have liked the video. So once again, if you haven't subscribed our channel, so please subscribe the channel and keep watching global videos for more interesting videos. So see you in the next video.